Okay, this is a cool trick I'm going to show you, and if you like, you can make a bet on it. And what you have to do, take a cork and put it inside the bottle. You have to make a lot of pressure. Okay. Let me tell you that now I'm going to be able to take the cork of this bottle without breaking the bottle. And obviously I won't be able to use my fingers. So how will you take off the cork from the bottle? Let me show you how. Okay, to take the cork off the bottle, this is what you have to do. Take a plastic bag, roll it, and put it inside the bottle. Like this. Then you're gonna put upside down the bottle. You're gonna let the cork to fall next to the plastic bag. Then you're gonna take the bottle and blow the plastic bag. What? So you blow the bag. What you have to do? Spoon. Here's your cork.